Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. My name is Aditi. I'll be your chemistry mentor for today, and in today's session we will talk about chemical kinetics. So before going into deep about chemical kinetics, there is a need to understand why do we study chemical kinetics. So in our daily life many processes are happening, like digestion is happening, respiration is happening, photosynthesis is happening, resting of an iron is happening. We notice that some processes are going very fast and some processes are going very slow. So to know about how this process is going very fast or slow, their mechanisms, to know or mean to know about the speed of the reaction, there is a need to understand chemical kinetics, because it is a branch of chemistry which tells us about whether the reaction is going fast or slow. So depending upon the speed of the reaction, there are basically three types of reaction. Number one is fast reaction, number two is moderate reaction, and number three is slow reaction. Now, burning of butane and LPG is considered as fast reaction. Why is it so? Because as soon as we turn on our gas stove, fire ignites instantaneously. Means the reaction complete in just seconds. So the time required to complete this reaction is very less. So that's why this reaction is fast reaction. Now, moderate reaction, photosynthesis. This process is moderate reaction. Why? Because time required to complete this reaction is neither too much very long or nor too much very less. That's why this reaction is moderate reaction. Apart from the conditions like sunlight, atmospheric conditions, apart from that, okay. Slow reaction, rusting of an iron. Rusting of an iron is slow process because time required to complete this reaction is very large. This reaction is completed in even months, or it can take even years also, depending upon the quality of an iron and atmospheric conditions. So these are the basic three types of the reaction. Now we'll talk about the rate of reaction. We will talk about rate of reaction. What is rate of reaction? Rate of reaction. This is decrease or increase in the concentration of reactant or product per unit time is rate of reaction. Now what does this particular line inform? Means decrease in the concentration of the reactants or increase in the concentration of products is known as rate of reaction. Considering a reaction, reactants are converted into products. Now what's the rate for this reaction? Rate is equal to decrease in the concentration of reactants per unit time is equal to increase in concentration of product per unit time. Now why this minus sign? This minus sign represents the decrease in the concentration of R. In this reaction, there is no stoichiometric coefficients are attached. What if there are stoichiometric coefficients are attached to it? Consider a reaction A plus B gives 2C. Now what's the rate for this reaction? Decrease in the concentration of reactant is equal to decrease in the concentration of A, and B is equal to increase in concentration of C. Now from where this half comes and how? See, 1 mole of A and 1 mole of B gives 2 mole of C. Means the rate of disappearance of A and B is equal to the twice of the rate of appearance of C. Or we can write it as like twice the decrease in concentration of A and B is equal to increase in concentration of C. or product of C. So how rate is equal to decrease of concentration of A per unit time is equal to decrease in the concentration of B per unit time is equal to, from 2 it goes half, increase in the concentration of C by T. This is all about the reactions. Thank you so much for watching.